multiplying a monomial by monomial. What do you mean by monomial? Monomial means a expression which contains single term, means it is a monomial. Find the volume of each rectangular box with given length, breadth and height. So volume has three dimensions. Which are the three dimensions? Length, breadth and height. In first question, what is the length? Length is 2ax. The breadth is 3by. Height is 5cz. Find the volume of each of the cases. So first question, write the length. Length is denoted by the letter L. It is 2ax. Then breadth means it is denoted by the letter B. Breadth means B. So 3by. After that, length, breadth and height. Height is given h equal to 5cz. Now volume of a rectangular. What is the formula to find the volume of a rectangular? Volume of a rectangular equal to length into breadth into height. So volume of a rectangular equal to L into B into H. It means length into breadth into height. Now you have to multiply, find the product of length into breadth into height. So L equal to 2x, B equal to 3by, H equal to 5z. So L into B into H, what is the meaning? Find the product of this L, B into H. So we can write it as L means, what is the value of L in the first problem? It is 2ax. So 2ax. Then into multiplication. After that B equal to 3by. 3by into H means 5cz. Now this is product, finding the product of monomials. 2ax is a monomial because it contains only single term. 3by it is also a monomial. 5cz is also a monomial. Now find the product of L into B into H, length into breadth into height. Look at the question. 2ax into 3by into 5z. How we can multiply? Numbers. In the first term, 2 is the number. In the second term, 3 is the number. In the third term, 5, or in the first monomial, 2 is a number. In second monomial, 3 is a number. In third monomial, it is a 5 is a number. So multiply the numbers. 2 into 3 into 5. Write the numbers together. Find the product of these numbers. 2 into, then ax, by and cz. There is any same variable is present in this question? Ax, they are different. By, it is different from ax. Cz, it is also different. So there is no like variable. There is no same variable or like variable. So you can write ax into by into cz. Multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So the product of 2 into 3 into 5 is 30. Then multiply ax into by into cz. There is no same way. So, ax into by into cz, a into b, ab into c, abc. Now x, y, z. It means write all the variables together, then we get the product. It is very simple. Write all the variables. If we write 30 ax, by, cz, is it correct or wrong? It is also correct. So 30 ABC XYZ is the product of or volume of first rectangular, has length 2ax, breadth 3by, height 5cz. So 30 ABC XYZ is the answer. Second case, length is m squared n, breadth is n squared p, height is p squared m. Find the volume of this rectangular L into B into H. The formula is same. So L is, what is L? M squared n into breadth is n squared p into height is p squared m. Now find the product of m squared n into n squared p into p squared m. Multiply the each monomial. Multiply the monomial. How to multiply? First write the same variables together. It's not like variable. If like means the exponent and the variable is same, then we say it is a like variable. But this is now same variable because m squared. Now this m squared and m, these are the same variable. So write together m squared into m. Multiply the same variable. Then this n into n squared into n into p into p squared, p into p squared. What do we get? M squared into m. What is the meaning m squared? We know that 2 squared means 2 into 2, or 3 into 3 means it is 3 squared. In the same way, m squared means m into m into m. Okay, then into n squared means n into n into n. Why? N squared means n into n, then n into p squared means p into p. 1, 2, 3. How many m? 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 means we can write it as 3 to the power 3. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 means we can write 4 to the power. Means the base is 4. And how many numbers it is multiplied? How many times it is multiplied? 4 times. So 4 to the 4. Base is 3. How many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3. So 3 to the power 3. In the same way, m is the base. Yes, m. How many times m is multiplied? 1, 2, 3. So m to the power 3. Into n is the base. So n. How many times is it multiplied? 3 times. So n to the power 3 into p is the base. P is multiplied thrice. So p to the power 3. M cube plus n cube into p to the power 3 is the product of second case. In third problem, length is 2q, breadth is 4q squared, height is 8q. So find the product. Then we get the volume of a rectangle. So 2q into 4q squared into 8q. Multiply and then we get the product. How to multiply? First write the numbers. That is 2 into 4 into 8. 2, 4 and 8. Multiply the numbers. Then q squared and q3. Find the product of q squared and q3. So q into q squared into q cube. So it is 2 to the power 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 into 8, 64. So 64. Then q into q squared. Q cube. Or we can write like this. Q into q squared means q into q. Into q to the power 3 means q is multiplied thrice. So q into q. Then 64 into base is q. Base is q. How many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So q to the power 6. Or we can directly write it as q into q squared is q cube. Q cube into q to the power 3 is q to the power 6. Is the product of 2q, 4q squared and 8q cube. Next topic is multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Multiplying a monomial. Monomial means expression which contains single term. It is multiplied to a binomial. What do you mean by binomial? Expression which contains two terms. Now, monomial into binomial. Look at the example. 3x into 5y plus 2. Find the product of, the question, find the product of 3x into 5y plus 2. 3x into 5y plus 2. Now 3x means it is a monomial. Why it is monomial? Monomial means the expression which contains single term, because this is a single term. So 3x is a monomial. This monomial into binomial. This is binomial. 5y is a first term plus 2 is a second term. So totally 2 terms. So it is binomial. What is the method to find the product monomial by a binomial? It is very simple. 3x into 5y plus 2. First multiply this monomial into every term of the binomial. Every term means how many terms? Which contains binomials contains only 2 terms. So this 3x into 5y. After that, the same 3x into 2. Why? What is the reason? Because monomial into every term, multiply monomial, this single term, into every term present in the binomial. Every term means the binomial which contains 2 terms. So 3x is multiplied to 5y. After that, this 3x is multiplied to 2. Then we get the product. Write down 3x. First it is multiplied to 3x into 5y. Then what is the sign is given in between 5y plus 2? That is plus. So plus. If it is minus, then you have to write it is minus. After that, this 3x into 2. 3x into 2. So very simple. This monomial into every term in the binomial. So 3x into 5y, then this 3x into 2. In between it is plus. Why it is plus? Because 5y plus 2 plus, which divides 2 terms. So it is plus. Now 3x into 5. 3 into 5. First multiply 3 into 5. What do we get? 15. X into y. xy plus 3 into 2. 6. 6 into x. 6x. So 15xy plus 6x is the product of 3x into 5y plus 2. Another example, find the product of, second example, find the product of 2x into 3x plus 5xy. It is also same type of problem, monomial and binomial. Find the product of monomial and binomial. How to find the product? This is a monomial, single term. There are 2 terms, it is a binomial. So multiply this 2x into every term present in the binomial. So 2x into 3x. So write down 2x into 3x. After that, this 2x into 5xy. In between there is a plus symbol, plus sign, so plus. This 2x into 5xy. 5xy. Now, if we split 2 into 3, that is 2 into 3, then x into x. We can write like this. First multiply the numbers 2 into 3 into x into x plus then 2x into 5xy. In this 2 and 5 are the numbers. So 2 into 5 into x into y. Now 2 into 3 is 6. X into x, the base is x. How many x is multiplied? Twice. So x to the power 2 plus 2 into 5 is 10. X into x, so x to the power 2, then y. So 6x squared plus 10x squared y is the answer for 3x into 5. Sorry, 6x squared plus 10x squared y is the answer for 2x into 3x plus 5xy. Another example, third one. A squared minus 2ab, sorry, a squared into 2ab minus 5c. Now multiply this a squared into 2ab. So a squared into 2ab. After that, this same a squared into 5c. But in between 2ab and 5c, there is a minus sign. So minus a squared into 5c. A squared into 5c. Now multiply a squared. Write the same variable together. A squared into a into 2 into b. Correct? A squared into a, then into 2, then b. Minus 5 into a squared, 5a squared into c. 5a squared c. Then a squared into a, it becomes a to the power 3. And 2 means, right, 2a cube b minus 5a squared c. So 2 into a cube, a squared into a means a cube, into b. So 2a cube b minus 5a squared c.